Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite cards I've ever made, featuring this stamp set, A Good Man. This stamp set is perfect for all kinds of masculine cards. Father's Day, birthdays, retirement, all of those reasons that you need a masculine card, and it's often so hard to come up with. Now, this is the featured product in my upcoming Creativity to Go class. So if you register for that class by May 10th, you'll receive this stamp set plus all the supplies and tutorials you need to make 5 cards with your new stamp set. So you'll be all set for Father's Day and all those other moments throughout the year. You'll also get access to an optional Zoom crafting class where we'll meet and assemble the cards together. Anyone in Canada is welcome to subscribe. Just check the link in the video description and make sure you sign up by May 10th. So the measurements for the card we're making today are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a crumb cake layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of old olive cardstock, and this is 2 5/8 by 4 inches, and then a piece of vanilla cardstock, and this is 2 3/8 by 4 inches. And I also have some additional scrap vanilla cardstock for stamping. The first step I'm going to do is run this piece through the embossing machine with my Pinewood Planks folder to give it some texture. Now I'm going to use the Waterfront stamp set to create a scene on this strip of vanilla cardstock. When I originally created this card, I made it for my dad for Father's Day, and I wanted the scene to reflect our beloved summer cabin on beautiful Powell Lake. My dad loved the card. And by the way, you're hearing my dad's music in every Inkyfingers video. I'm going to stamp the image of this relaxed guy in memento black ink on my scrap vanilla cardstock, and then color him in with my blends. Now the last thing I need to do is stamp a sentiment here and punch it out with my classic label punch. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I am offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. And don't forget, the featured stamp set for this month's Creativity to Go is A Good Man. Be sure to sign up before May 10th to get this stamp set and the prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 excellent cards. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!